Good morning. Today, Monday. I hope everyone is having a good day. Right now, we will be talking about the crypto market, the market review. Like, Bitcoin is trading around the 22,000. As I said, when we were looked at the Bitcoin around the 24,000, we said it's going to go down till 21,000. And I think that effect is happening right now. And Ethereum is being quite strong relatively compared with the Bitcoin, and we will also look at the TA technical analysis in here. And last 24 hours we have seen the singularity net. It's keep growing, and the graph is still being strong because the graph is a very big indexing platform, and what they would do is they will create the Web3 society, Web3 internet with their indexing and put in the information from the Web2 into the Web3, and that's how they can access information from Web3 about all the other coins and their increasing amount of data. So let's see the biggest loser. Oh, Aptos is having a big problem. And as I said before, the Phantom is also experiencing the problem as well. And LIDA and Loopering GMX. As you can see, these are just the liquid staking platforms. And they offer Web3 DeFi platforms. And for example, like lending and borrowing. And a lot of people have staked their assets through Lido and Loopring, and a lot of people trade with their crypto assets with GMX as well. And so this is the market review, and so far we have quite a bit journey. As we said at the Phantom around the 10 minutes chart. Let's take a look at it around the 4 hours. So around the 4 hours chart, we have seen that Phantom is declined with 13%. So I think this is a very, very big drawdown. And if we see it, there's a big support line waiting down here. It's not clear whether it will go up or down for sure. But in terms of the real metrics on the technical analysis, it is really sad to see that Phantom price is declining. It actually broke down to this previous support line, and now it's heading down towards this line, pretty much. And we might also see another low point in here. This might be the next drawdown support line for Phantom, and I think the Phantom platform is doing great. And so far, I think what they can do in the future is they can explore a new place in the DeFi sector and making sure the Web3 finance is secure and have a bigger scale of doing a lot of things. That's the thing Phantom can do better than Ethereum, because we all know that Andrei Kronji is behind the Phantom, and he's become promoted into the director in this company, the Phantom Labs. He's the director of the Phantom Labs. Probably he is doing a lot of the heavy brain work and also computing powers as well. So his DeFi platforms has been transformed Web3 society, and it becomes DeFi available for us back in 2020 or 2019, as we all know. So let's see the good old Bitcoin. The Bitcoin has been declining, as I told you before, and this was the biggest a support line we have held for a couple of days, but now it's broken down approximately around $22,900. It is trading, and we might see another level that can be broken down. So it has already broke down. So I think in terms of looking at next level of things, so let's observe this one from very fresh perspective. Very fresh perspective. As we all know that if we see if this is the next resistance, it's a strong resistance, and if we also think that there will be a chance that the market will most likely to react on this Bitcoin price. For example, if the Bitcoin goes down, then most of the altcoins will rally down towards very strong. And most of it, it's like Aptos. We all know the DYDX and Solano, Dogecoin, ApeCoin, and ADA. And we all know the ICP, which is internet money. That one will probably shockingly go down with Bitcoin. But it has been quite a good run so far, as we all know that this run has been significant enough that a lot of people, they made a lot of gains in here. For example, let's take a look at this gain from here, from 1st of January till this February 3rd. And I think we have gained around 42%. 42% on Bitcoin. That is the big thing. That is something that anyone who was waiting for this thing. And I think so far, we all know that this is not a long-term strategy for just buying Bitcoin all the time. That is not something anyone would do. Oh, here's the thing. Let's take a look at it. There has been a gap in here. So the gap between these lines around the 15 minutes chart. So I think the price will most likely to go up, retrace it, and go down. So I'm not sure why the gap has increased in the Binance chart when it comes to Bitcoin, because we have never seen this kind of gap for a long time. As we all know that this has happened around the 8 hour to 10, which means this is about a day closing candle. So the candle get closed, then I think pretty much we will see another drawdown in here. As we all know that in this okay, let's take a look at like 1 hour chart. So in this 1 hour chart, we seen that it has been broken down and it has retested very clearly. We all can see this retest, and I think this will, whether or not it will go down for sure. And many people, they are expecting some type of news on this Bitcoin chart, but I think it's very clear. I think the next drawdown line is somewhere between in this level. So this could be the level that Bitcoin price can and will come and consolidate in this level, 21,478. That could be the level we can most likely to see this is go down and then retrace, and there's going to be a consolidation, and then it will break down, which means my first perspective from a couple days ago, we are going to see a head and shoulder pattern, head and shoulder, which is very classic. And I think that will pretty much display most of the most of the works on the Bitcoin. So let's see the BNB price. So the BNB is pretty much looking through this levels of rising wedge. Relatively, BNB is being very strong because all of the DeFi sector, all of the crypto society is backing the BNB, which is the Binance. They're hoping the Binance will thrive. Binance will become more decentralized and be more beneficial to the participants in this market. And I think that is something everyone is hoping for, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure about what is going to happen with Binance. And so far, I will stick with my trading plans in here, go down to this level around the 315 US dollars level, and we will see the consolidation and breakdown and then retest and go down. That is the precise moment we will see on the BNB price and the Ethereum price. It has been quite a strong run for the last couple days compared with the Bitcoin. We might see another strong run with Ethereum because we are still looking for this level of support. As you can see, this is, let me put it down red. Okay, so this red line is going to show some of the weak parts on this chart. If we break below this chart, then we will most likely to see the consolidation around here and retest once, twice, and we will see another drawdown till this level. This could be the level around 1400. 1400 is the level that we might see this coming days. But who knows? Ethereum has been very, very stable compared with other cryptos because of probably the ultrasound money. We all know that ultrasound money is very influential on the Ethereum network. There have been more than 9,543 Ethereum has been destroyed, and the value of it will distribute it into rest of the remaining Ethereum, and they are currently in supply of 120 million. That's it. 120 million Ethereum is existing in the market, and so far Ethereum burning has been very, very relative. Let's see the last 30 days. It has been 812,000 Ethereum has been burned last 30 days. And in terms of year, and I think the issuance and growth supply and the burning rate, it all shows in these graphics. We have started around September 15th. We all know that. September 15th last year, we have started this ultrasound money on this Web3 nation. And ever since then, we have experienced the inflation, and now the deflation part has been issued around November, and it got inflated again around the end of last year. And now, and I think the ultrasound money will more likely depreciate, and the price of it will increase according to it. So who knows? A lot of people are speculating about the Bitcoin and Ethereum, and especially Ethereum is having the Shanghai upgrade. That Shanghai upgrade will most likely to pay a lot of attention to this market. For example, most of the Ethereum stakers, they are going to withdraw their assets, and probably the half of them will take their profits and dump their Ethereum on the market, which means it will influence the price of the Ethereum and makes it lower. So let's take a look at when is the Shanghai upgrade. So when is the Shanghai upgrade, and it's around the March. So in March, and I think there will be a lot of different movements, a lot of different feelings in the market. Don't know what they're gonna do. Probably like right around the rumor, right before its issuance, I think there are gonna be a lot of dumpings, and then when it happens, maybe it will rise up again, or it will be stably going like this and this and that, and then when it happens in March, then the dumping will start. I don't know what's gonna happen, so we will closely monitor the Ethereum price action on the chart. That is the closest and the most effective thing we can do when it comes to the market, because timing the market is very, very important. In order to time it, you have to be very relevant. Stay tuned in this market. So let's take a look at the XRP. XRP has been really pain in the back. At some point, we are experiencing the XRP price most likely to retrace. This is a clear classic movement when it comes to XRP. So XRP has been a strong support line in here, but we'll see. Relatively, XRP becomes more independent, as we have experienced last couple months. XRP price and XRP, the price action has been reacting very, very independently last couple weeks. So what I'm guessing is maybe they're gonna be a something like this, and then we will pump again on the XRP point, because when it pumps up, XRP when it pumps, and I think the price of the XRP will most likely to react on this level, because I think there are quite a lot of support line waiting for XRP to experience, and I think this will be the moment when the long-waited the pump for the XRP will arrive. After, if we break above this level, which is around the 0.44 cents, this is the level. If we break above, and we will see the clear sign of a consolidation in here, and the next one will be a big pump. That is for sure. If we see the clear sign of consolidation here, and I think we will break above. That is the thing. And I think this is the very blueprint that we can expect XRP to do. And of course, who knows, right? Of course, we wouldn't even know if we wouldn't study the market in this price action matter. So a lot of you will probably waiting what to do with it. And I think also one of the interesting field that we are looking at is this is Uniswap 1-day chart. So last couple of days, Uniswap has been very, very interesting in terms of price, in terms of price, and in terms of this TA analysis. We all can see it. This is the moment, I think. This is the moment everyone is waiting for to see it, I think. Yep, here's it. This is the trend line that we are looking at. If we strongly manage to hold it in here, I think there will be a good amount of chance that the price will claim at least till $9. Let's see what will happen. And I think a lot of you are waiting for this blueprint, how you can play out with last next 24 hours. And we will give you the true blueprint, how you can follow and how you can execute your market and how you can make profit in this uncertainties. So make sure you guys follow and subscribe our charts, and maybe I will teach you for the next video how you can actually go out and buy these altcoins. Till next time, goodbye.